bishikatalo regai titi edishini bakhaktei haste ni jo tolukono khani hamjangma tai chi baya faro taklai ni bishi norong ni bagai hamjangma tai hamari bai kublung ngai tongthang.
The festive spirit of Christmas. Today, we gathered not only to reflect on the achievements of the school, but also to embrace the message of hope, peace, and goodwill that Christmas brings. I extend a warm welcome to our chief guest. Your presence here today is a source of inspiration for our students and staff. We are honored to have you, your guidance and blessings. To my beloved teachers, I express my heartfelt appreciation for your tireless dedication. You are the architects of the students' future. My dear beloved parents, thank you for your trust and support. Without your encouragement, our journey would not be possible. My beloved students, you are the shining stars of St. John's School. Every achievement of the school is the reflection of your hard work and enthusiasm. Our school started in the year 2017. In the beginning, we have only 45 students with 4 teachers. And I was given the responsibility as the in-charge. Those were challenging days, but we worked with faith, unity, and dedication. Today, after 9 years, our school has grown up to more than 350 students, 16 teachers, along with 1 ayah and 1 gatekeeper. This growth is a result of hard work, God's grace, and the support of parents and well-wishers. Next year will be a historic movement for our school, as we will have our first class 10 batch. This is a proud achievement for all of us and a sign that our school is moving forward with confidence. I sincerely thank my teacher for their commitment, our parents for trusting us, and the management committee for their continuous support. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to our Reverend Father Zaibu Matthew, who supported and encouraged us from the early days. As we celebrate in advance, let us remember its true meaning of this coming Christmas, our advanced Christmas, because Christmas is not only about festivities, decoration and gifts. It is about true love, compassion and sharing. And my dear teachers, it is to care for one another, to forgive and to spread joy.
bishikatalo regai titi edishini bakhaktei haste ni jo tolukono khani hamjangma tai chi baya faro taklai ni bishi norong ni bagai hamjangma tai hamari bai kublung ngai tongthang.